Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VHC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $3.15, which was the previous breakout point. So a great example here of resistance there now turning into support. Now don't get me wrong though, if the price does fall below there, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back though and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength. How you can best, visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 315 would be great, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out, that would be right up there at $3.50. They really didn't hide themselves. Several times this afternoon, the bulls try to push up through there, and you can see each and every time that the price got smacked back down. So 350 will be public enemy number one going into tomorrow, and I guess not tomorrow, but next week. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, no doubt about it. Very nice day today. Great way to close out the week. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.